Let's get to more bad news. The surge in coronavirus continues to set new records. Florida recorded more than 15,000 new cases yesterday. That is the highest single-day total of known cases in any single state, surpassing New York's highest day ever. In Arizona, nearly 27% of tests came back positive over the past 7 days, the highest rate in the nation. But there's some good news, okay? I got you some good news.
Finally.
Mac and cheese. For the first time since March, New York City has had its first day without a single coronavirus death.
I'll take it.
I'll take that as well. In the midst of the outbreak in Florida, for some reason I don't understand, Disney World reopened on Saturday. They have several safety measures in place, including limiting capacity and requiring face masks. Now, there's also news of a growing rift between, I knew this was going to happen, the White House and the nation's top infectious disease expert. Officials say they're concerned by the number of times Dr. Fauci has been wrong on things. They've also provided a list of examples, including when he downplayed the virus early on. I have a problem with any administration, Republican or Democrat, fighting science. Science is true whether you believe it or not. Al, how do you feel about this?
I think this is a hit job. I really do.
Yeah.
It's an attack on his character. This man has worked for many presidents besides this one, both Republican and Democrat, and it's like going back and rewriting history. They're saying that he was telling people not to wear masks. It was very clear that they were telling people not to wear masks because they did not want a situation which we saw, Lindsay, which was people hoarding masks when they knew that we didn't even have enough for our healthcare workers. So now here we are 6 months down the line, and now they're saying, remember when you said, it's completely taking what he said out of context and not remembering where we were in that moment. What are your thoughts?
I just want to know, like, where can we turn? You know, we look to Dr. Fauci as our leading expert, as Tori said in this. And so we just want to know that we have somebody that we can trust. I know, obviously, we're leaving it to science. And like you guys said, he's one of the leading health experts. So we just need some coordination here because this is not a political thing. We just want to save lives and get ourselves through to the point where we get a vaccine. So I don't understand why this is all this back and forth. Like, I think we all have the same solution and goal in mind.
Yeah, I agree. We want to get quickly to Chuck Woolery. Some of you have already written me in about this. He tweeted today, we have it here, everyone is lying. The CDC, media, Democrats, our doctors, not all but most, that we are told to trust. I think it's all about the election and keeping the economy from coming back. The president did retweet that. And I just want to look in the camera and say I find it really sad that some people think all the scientists and all the professionals and professors and the one side of the political party, all of us are the global community. Millions of people have died because you think we're trying to con you into some kind of weird election. And it's not perhaps a small group of people trying to divide us, trying to end us.